This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can lock or unlock the touchscreen on this camera. So in the beginning, take your action camera and switch it on. Now swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to open the control panel. Here you'll find this little lock icon, which once pressed locks the touchscreen. As you can see, it does not respond to my inputs here. Then if you would like to unlock the screen, just tap on it once or tap at the lock icon and drag it to the unlock state like that. And the touchscreen has been unlocked successfully and you can continue using it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.